Because this machine is, oh no, it's done for. Completely ruined. Ammo, you see. The way it sheds without warning is truly terrible. It just happened without any heads up, and now everything is all shut down. Oh well, alright, it's all good now, it's already been washed. After it's done washing, we're going to quickly take off this back casing. Once it's removed, let's get this 10,000 mAh battery out first to take a look.
Wow, it's so big.
If it's that big, my equipment basically won't be able to fit it anymore. This time, when I went to that part, Pakistan, many people were still very eager to learn, but for many things, we simply can't approach them in a very traditional way. Oh, the back cover, I accidentally tore it.
I'm unable to make use of this. Could it be that my initial guess was completely wrong? Why do I have this feeling that I've made a wrong assumption? Oh, it's because this machine is...
Oh no, it's over. I'm ruined. This machine is a split cooling unit. Pause. And it appears the internal structure requires disassembly starting from this particular section. So I'll just go ahead and begin by removing the rear casing, like so. Pause. But then it turns out we actually need to dismantle it from this other specific area. My assumption was incorrect. Oh, it's completely messed up. Why so violent? I'm completely baffled. Because this machine is liquid cooled and it has a high capacity battery. And once I removed the back cover, I should have first taken apart behind the camera. The air intake, the air vent is right here. I messed up the direction. It's ruined. I didn't take out the screws on top. I was just forcing it open here. Okay, are there any screws inside this part? It seems there aren't any in this area. Then I'll give it another shot. I'll try one more time to see if I can just pry it open by force. How funny. Everything's ready. The only thing we're missing is a single screw. I'll handle the dismantling right here on this side. Oh, its waterproofing is really good. Why do I say the waterproofing is so good? Let's take a look over here. The entire heat dissipation channel at the back is a single piece of finely milled aluminum alloy. You can still see the tool marks, right? The tool marks are still there. So to achieve waterproofing, the fan is mounted on the outside and the interior is completely sealed. And the heat passes through this area and directly out the back. Make contact and then use dispersion. The air intake and exhaust go directly this way. And over here, that island piece is all cut. Alright, and what's most important now is this 10,000 mAh battery. And the distributed cooling is back in place, plus a 10,000 mAh battery is also installed. It's going to fly directly, it simply has to take off now. Alright, let's go. Later I'll take out this disperse component and put it in that one too. Yay. You all know what I mean, right? You know. Alright, so first we're going to take out the main board, and then after that we'll remove the battery. Oh, what a blunder. This is the very first time I've actually broken the back cover like this. There were screws there, but I just forced it open. Nobody warned me about it. If someone had just given me a heads up, I would have definitely had to give out some special gifts to my fans today. Nobody warned me. Oh my goodness.
It truly is, and I'm absolutely certain that it is indeed the truth.
It should be all good now, shouldn't it? I can see that all the screws have been taken out. 10,000 milliamp hours. A power bank with 10,000 mAh. That's already as heavy as a brick. And a phone can be made this thin and still manage to pack in 10,000 mAh. That's truly remarkable, really. Oh, wow. It's double-sided andesite. There's also a specialized graphene layer for heat dissipation. Oh, no wonder this battery is a whopping 10,000 mAh. I've finally seen its true colors. Now I'm taking off the outer casing. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. This battery is quite large. This battery is genuinely massive. It's not just big, it's actually truly enormous. All right, then. Is the CPU actually located on this particular side? So first things first, we're going to completely dismantle this entire structure, the antenna. Now we basically don't need to connect this antenna anymore. All right, the battery, this battery clip is, wait a moment. Okay, we won't remove the entire battery's protection board. The protection board will still be kept. All right, let's take a good look at the internal structure of this machine. The camera head you see is completely jammed right here. The camera, specifically the front-facing one. The rear component, let's remove the rear component first, alright? Let's take a good look at its configuration. The specs really shouldn't be bad at all, because generally speaking, if the configuration were poor, it wouldn't even need advanced distributed heat dissipation. If it's capable of utilizing distributed heat dissipation, then its performance is absolutely going to be unbeatable. There's passive cooling, active cooling, and this one here is active cooling. Plus a 10,000 mAh battery, it can even be used as a power bank. From right below the CPU, heat is transferred to the dispersion area through this point here. The thermal conductivity is excellent. All right, let's take a look at the CPU. The CPU should be Qualcomm's latest, right?
Oh yes, that's right. The chipset is a Qualcomm one. Let's really dive in and check out the parameters. Come on, let's do this. Let's put these specs under a microscope and examine them closely. All right, let's go.
37.8 watt hours. Nominal voltage 3.78 volts. Full charge voltage 4.53 volts. This voltage difference is quite large. And then if you use 4.53 volts with an Apple device, it likely won't achieve 10,000 mAh. Why? Because Apple devices probably can't handle 4.53 volts.